living in the dark. I feel so alive, still remembering what I want, but it ends with you. Candlelight has gone out. Some will win and some will lose. Nothing much else to say. Thought I was searching for something. Door has closed, not a sound. Take a look.
Well, hello, boils and ghouls. Nakamimi Kira here. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be doing kind of another unboxing, but not a box. About a year ago this month, I actually won. I won a giveaway from Sticker Mule to get a sticker made for me. So I worked with my friend Angel. I will be putting his link in the description below. Actually, he actually made everything you see in the scene right now. He's made my stream emotes. And he's also made some images that I put on merchandise as well. But anyway, I talked with my friend Angel. We went over some ideas for things, and eventually we came up with an idea together, and I submitted it about a month or two ago. And I got the stickers in, so I figured that I would unveil it here on YouTube with you guys. So, little thingy from Sticker Mule. So let's open this up. And what do we got in here? Oh. So they sent some cute stuff of their own, I see. So we've got a coaster. I guess they make hot sauce as well. Yeah, it says mulesauce.com by Sticker Mule. So if you like hot sauce and stickers. And then they also sent their own little sticker with their little mule. So those are cute. I need like a sticker book to put these in because I don't stick stickers, so they end up staying just like this. And in boxes or folders, so I kind of need like a thing to stick them to that I can keep forever. So if you guys have any suggestions, leave it in the comments below. But okay, now the stickers that Angel and I designed together. I might have to take it out of the plastic if it doesn't show very well. But yeah, I have no idea what I'm going to do with these, by the way. So if you have any suggestions, recommendations, anything like that, please feel free to drop it in the comment section down below. But I think I gotta take it out of the plastic. I don't know if you can see it really well, but look how cute she is! Let me see if I can open it. Open it. I need like scissors back here. All I have are knives, which I'm not complaining, just ooh, it's getting open. It's always an exciting moment and terrifying because I don't feel safe anymore. There it is! There's the sticker! So yeah, they're really cute. They're only like that big. But I have no idea what I'm gonna do with them yet. So again, if you have any suggestions or anything, feel free to let me know. But yeah. I'm really excited that Angel came up with that design for me, and I just want to say thank you so much to Sticker Mule for the giveaway. I'm very, very excited. And yeah, I guess that's really it for today's video. Like I always say, if you have any suggestions, recommendations, or anything you would love to see me do on this channel, please feel free to leave it in the comment section or send me an email at nekomimikira@gmail.com. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I love your faces. Thank you so much for being here. And until next time, ja, ma,